Hello! From now, I'm going to show you how to make a mask in just 10 seconds. You don't need to do any sewing to make this mask. So let's get started. All you need is a handkerchief and 2 rubber bands. Hair bands would be fine, or you can just cut off the bands from a disposable mask. Okay, so fold the handkerchief into 3 equal parts, like this. Then tuck the handkerchief a little towards the middle to make it more comfortable when you wear it. Put the rubber bands on each end of the handkerchief. Like this. And then fold both sides to the middle. And you are finished! Ta-da! Oh, very comfortable. Wasn't that easy? It is easy enough for even a child to make. Please try it. Bye!